The 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure is a motorcycle designed for long-distance touring and adventure riding. Here are some of its features. Engine: a 1300cc BMW Boxer engine with ShiftCam technology, which has two valve cams that can be actuated depending on the situation. Power: 145 horsepower at 7,750 revolutions per minute and 110 foot-pounds of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Fuel tank: a 7.9-gallon aluminum tank. Acceleration: can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds and has a top speed of over 124 miles per hour. Chassis: a completely redesigned chassis. Wheels: cross-spoke front and rear wheels, 19 by 3.0 in and 17 by 4.5 in. Trail: 4.7 in. Wheelbase: 60.4 in. Seat height: 34.3-35.0 in. Touring motorcycles often have features like cushioned seats, advanced suspension systems, and ergonomic handlebars. They also usually have ample storage space to carry gear and personal items.
Feel the rhythm tight through the endless night.